Welcome to Crocodile, the simple, all-in-one sharpening system that helps restore dull kitchen knives, maintain everyday blades, polish fine edges, sharpen serrated bread knives, and even sharpen household scissors. In just a few minutes, we'll show you how to get the best performance from your Crocodile while sharpening safely and effectively. Before you begin, place Crocodile on a clean, dry, flat surface. Make sure your knife or scissors are clean before sharpening, and always hold the sharpener securely while keeping your fingers safely away from the blade. For best results, always pull the blade through the sharpener in one smooth direction. Never use a back and forth sawing motion, and never force the blade through the sharpening slot. Crocodile features 5 precision sharpening settings. Restore is designed for restoring dull or heavily worn straight-edge knives. Sharpen provides medium sharpening to maintain an edge during regular use. Polish polishes the blade and removes small burrs, leaving a smoother, cleaner cutting edge. Bread knife is specially designed for sharpening serrated bread knives. And scissor restores the cutting performance of most household scissors. Simply rotate the dial to the setting you need before sharpening. If your knife is very dull, begin with the Restore setting. Place the blade into the center of the sharpening slot with the blade facing downward. Starting at the heel of the knife, pull smoothly towards the tip using light, even pressure. Repeat several passes until the edge has been restored. Next, rotate the dial to sharpen. Using the same smooth motion, pull the knife through several more times to refine the edge and improve sharpness. Finish by selecting Polish. This final polishing step removes any remaining burrs and leaves the blade smoother, sharper, and ready for everyday use. For routine maintenance, most knives only require sharpen followed by polish. To keep your kitchen knives performing their best, sharpening approximately every 2 weeks is recommended. Crocodile can also help sharpen both right-handed and left-handed serrated bread knives. First, determine which type of bread knife you have. Hold the knife with the cutting edge facing down and look at the serrated edge. If the serrated edge is on the right side of the blade, you have a right-handed bread knife. If the serrated edge is on the left side of the blade, you have a left-handed bread knife. Turn the Crocodile to bread knife. For a right-handed bread knife, position the Crocodile with the dial facing you. For a left-handed bread knife, turn the Crocodile around so the dial faces away from you. This positions the sharpening surface on the correct side of the serrated blade. Place the knife into the sharpening slot with the cutting edge facing down. Gently pull the blade through from heel to tip in one smooth motion. Repeat a few times as needed. To sharpen household scissors, rotate the dial to scissor. Open the scissors and place one blade into the center of the sharpening slot. Angle the blade towards the long bevel of the ceramic sharpener. Then pull the blade through using a smooth, even motion. Repeat until the cutting edge has been restored. For your safety, always sharpen using smooth, one-direction pulls. Never use a back and forth motion. Do not place Crocodile in the dishwasher or submerge it in water. Handle freshly sharpened blades with care and always store the product out of reach of children. With proper use and regular maintenance, Crocodile helps keep your kitchen knives and scissors performing at their very best. Thank you for choosing Crocodile. Enjoy safer, smoother, and more precise cutting every day.